Hello, dividing integers. Okay, let's remember a couple things. When multiplying and dividing integers, remember that good things happen to good people, and that's good. Bad things happen to bad people, and that's good. Bad things happen to good people, and that's bad. Good things happen to bad people, and that's bad. Remember that. Okay, another thing to remember is here. The dividend is the same as the whole. The divisor is the same as the number of groups. And the quotient is the same as the parts per group. So it needs to go like this. Draw a division bar in there. So it goes dividend, divisor, quotient, whole, number of groups, total parts per group. Like say you had $8 divided by 4 friends. So, and then each friend would get $2. Not 3, $2. Okay, so your whole is the dividend is 8. And then your 4 friends, that's your divisor, that's the number of groups. And then your 2 is your quotient, it's your total parts per group. A diver needs to descend. Descend is down. Okay? Descend is down to a depth of 100 feet. She wants to do it in 5 equal descents. So how far should she travel in each descent? So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's negative 100 divided by 5. So she needs to go down 20 feet. Rewrite the division problem as a multiplication problem. What 5 times negative 20 equals negative 100? Remember the rules for integer multiplication. If the product is negative, one of the factors must be negative. Since 5 is positive, the unknown factor must be negative. You know that 5 times 20 is 100, so using the rules for integer multiplication, you can say 5 times negative 20 equals negative 100. The diver should descend 20 feet in each descent. Use the process you just learned to find each of the quotients below. So positive divided by a negative is a negative. Negative divided by a negative is a positive. Negative divided by a positive is a negative. Negative divided by a negative is a positive. Positive, negative, negative, and now just do the division. 14 divided by 7 is 2. 36 divided by 9 is 4. 52 divided by 11 is 5. 45 divided by 5 is 9. Make a conjecture about the quotient of 2 integers with different signs. Make a conjecture about the quotient of integers with the same signs. So, you know that same signs are positive, and different signs are negative. So put that in here. Dividing integers, you use the relationship between multiplication and division to make conjectures about the signs of quotients of integers. You can use multiplication to understand why division by 0 is not possible. Think about division problem below and its related multiplication problem. So 5 divided by 0, 0 divided by 5, 0 times, can that work? No. Nope. And nope. So the multiplication sentence says there's some number 0 that equals 5. You already know that 0 times any number is 0. This means that division by 0 is not possible. So you say division by 0 is undefined. Look at what happens on the calculator when you division by 0. "12 divided by 0 cannot divide by 0. Find each quotient. 0 divided by -6 is 0. 38 divided by -19 is -2. -13 divided by -1 is 13. Using integer division to solve problems, Jake answers questions in 2 different online Olympic trivia quizzes. In each quiz he loses points when he gives an incorrect answer. The table shows the points for lost for each wrong answer in each quiz and Jake's total points lost in each quiz. In which quiz did he have more wrong answers? So the winter quiz and the summer quiz. Okay, these are the answers down here. A penalty in Meteor Mania is 5 seconds. Penalty is a negative thing. A penalty in Cosmic Calamity is 7 seconds. So let's make some groups here. We've got Meteor Mania, and then over here is Cosmic Calamity. Yolanda had penalties totaling -25 in a game of Meteor Mania. So -25 and 35 seconds in Cosmic Calamity, -35 over here. In which game did Yolanda receive more penalties? Justify your answer. You know that Meteor Mania, it's 5 seconds, so you need to put that right down there. So she had a total of 25 lost, and then we know that it was -5 points. So now we have to determine how many total. So 25 divided by 5 is 5. Meteor Mania She had 5 penalties. And Cosmic Calamity, so 35 divided by 7, that also equals 5. Cosmic Calamity and 5 penalties also.